I wonder how much time it gives you. This thing's a mess, dude. Look at it. Dirty. Shit. Wow. Oh, it's that one? Can you put it? I thought it was this one. Yeah, you just move the knob. It's okay. Oh, you've never done this? Oh. I mean, you can't fuck up this paint. It's already fucked up anyways. All scratched up and shit. So, doesn't matter. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Thing is, it leaks through right here. This fitting right here. All right. Shit. Looks clean.
Yeah, I haven't done that in like forever. Blow dry your vehicle.
Looks so clean. Pretty clean, huh? It's all like, oh look, a Sienna, dude. I didn't miss this one.
What?
It's for sale.
Bad way.
No. It's coming back. All right. Got some coffee. There wasn't really much. Yeah, there wasn't really much in there, right? Worth showing.
Okay. I think what's important is that you wanted to come see it and you came inside.
All right, we just stumbled upon here. Yeah. There's a bunch of food trucks.
Ooh.
That's what it's called. And cheese chicharron. Those slab, dog. Oh, dude, there's a bunch. Let's go through here. Oh, you want to go through? You want to start over here?
Let's start through here.
All right, guys. You can get the full experience.
Yeah, I like I want some pork and greens.
This place is like popping, dude. And the line just keeps going, dude. I don't know. Are they good enough for you to want to wait in line?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. I think I value my time more than that. It's a little small thing. I like that. But it's fun. Do you have to get, can you just buy cash or what? Or does it have to be like tickets, you know? Pork, red.
Best Tamales.
All right.
The first place 2 years in a row in Indio.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's our first time here in La Habra.
Oh, really?
So you gotta try.
Everybody's over there, man. They should be right here, right?
Yeah.
Everybody wants to walk.
Once they try, they come twice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite tamale?
Pork.
Pork? Okay. Get that one then. Sweet. Thank you. Put it right here. Yo, you try first. Looks good. Does it taste good?
It ain't my mama's. What do you give it out of 10?
Which one was that one? That was the chicken one.
This is the pork. This is the chicken. The chicken with
I don't know, guys.
What do you think?
That's alright. Que le falta sal.
I think it's a little dry.
That one is
really
dry.
like
This one's like the red one. The chicken one is pretty good compared to that
pork.
one. Huh? Oh, this is the pork one?
This is the
That's
pork
the best one right there.
This one's really good. You can tell it has more.
It was $5 though.
Well, yeah, they're not gonna sell it for $1. You know how much work goes into making tamales?
Yeah, that's true.
It's a lot of prep, a lot of work, and meat's expensive.
Pretty good. Alright, we finished some. It was pretty good. But there's probably better ones out there. The best one, which was the red pork one, is fire.
I still like the green, but I'm biased.
The green one was dry, bro.
It was dry, but it needed more for sure.
Yeah. Are you done with it?
Yeah,
I got it.
¿Se puede pagar con tarjeta, no? Ah, okay.
I got mine with everything, bro. Try it.
Hot, okay.
No, you try it.
Cheers.
Cheers, brother. I like these better than the other spots. These are good.
These are really good.
Give these a try.
These are so soft.
Dude, yeah, the masa's
The
soft.
masa is super soft.
This chicharrón. What'd you get, chicken again? The salsa roja is better too.
It's hot.
These tamales are better for sure. Alright, that's it guys. That's a wrap. What do you think?
That was a lot of fun.
We had 4 tamales from 2 different places. And the second spot was probably the best spot.
We didn't try gourmet tamales. Maybe next year.
What? Would you want to wait for that?
I'd say we come earlier next year.
Oh.
Beat the lines. Just think about it.
But how?
It's
It's
11.
it's every year.
It's every year.
All right, that's a wrap, guys. It's fucking hot. Took the car to wash. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, my car has no AC, so it's a scorcher. But I figured I had to post something because it's been 2 months. Nothing much has happened with the Z, so that's pretty much why I haven't been posting. But we're alive and well. Alright, let's get out of here. It's so hot. That sucks. That's one of the things that sucks. I wonder if that lady's gonna park where I parked.
Oh, she might.
She should if she was, you know,
Smart.
smarty pants. I just gotta be careful with these small streets, bro. People come flying through here. That's it, guys. That's a wrap. Went to a car wash, to the coffee shop, which is the main reason why I started to do a little vlog. And we came across some tamales. Whoa! the beauty of Cali. Like I said, haven't done much to the Z's. Pretty stock, pretty chill last couple of weeks. Ever since I, did that last update video. So what was the damage? We got what, 4 tamales?
4 tamales. I think it was like $22.
$22 for 4 tamales. How much should a tamale be,
I mean, it should cover the labor and the cost to make them. You're thinking you're using pork, you're using a lot of masa, the hojas.
Okay, you're on something. So $5 actually is not that bad, right?
All the ingredients to make the salsa, like they have to make a profit. They're not gonna sell it for $1 and break even, or maybe even not even do that.
Yeah, that's true.
Obviously, if you make it at home, yeah, it's gonna be, you get more bang for your buck, right? But
That's right.
it's a labor of love, for real.
It is a labor of love. It's just the culture, right? Like, this is tamale season, champurrado season.
You gotta think too, what else goes into the cost? The little plates, the forks, the utensils, the napkins, all of that. You have to account for it.
Yeah, you gotta pay the people, right?
You gotta pay the people. Wow, everything's so expensive nowadays. You go to any stadium place, right? A beer is what?
Bro,
$60?
at Angel Stadium, like a tall can, I think it was like $15.
How much was that Dodger Stadium? Like $20?
Yeah,
for
hell
one
no,
beer?
dude.
That's what I mean.
I don't really drink, but
I really thought they were gonna be like $8, $10 per tamal. So when I saw 5, 6,
you're like, okay, that's reasonable.
yeah. And besides, how many tamales do you really need to fill you up?
I think for me, I'm already full off of 2, to be honest.
I feel good too.
I feel like the older you get, the less you eat. You know what I mean? Alright guys, that's it. This is like the 3rd outro I've said today, so that's it, we're done. I'll try to post more. I'll try to post more about the Z or just living with the Z. So let me know what kind of, if you like these kinds of videos, what else you want to see. I really appreciate all the support. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. So I appreciate that. Appreciate all the love. All right, guys, that's it. Deuces.